So guys, we're going to Hong Kong and I prepare something for Kesha. Na meron kaming anniversary. Anniversary naman sa December. So we're going to Hong Kong right now. So I have a surprise. It's iPhone 14 Pro Max. So guys, ibibigay ko to sa Disneyland. That's what I keep it. I already bought it almost a month. And I'm ready to excited sa kanyang reaction. See you Hong Kong Disneyland. Bye. Some place kung din ko hatag ang ang iPhone gift kay Cash. So may nakita ko nga spot and amo na siya nga spot dara karon after sang show guys. So lang ta reaction niya kundi ang gift ko siya sa anniversary na mo. So I know ma-happy ni siya. Pero let's see her reaction. So abang-abang guys. Yes! Open it!
What? May mga mami sa'yo.
Open it!
Ay, wow!
Happy anniversary!
Wow! Ay, mami! Look si mami, oh! May pasabog! Naringdaan ako na lang. Thank you! Advance happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Mami, hands me! Okay.